Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and visiting with me. Today I'm going to be sharing a citrus twist unboxing because I literally just got home from work and the little envelope was waiting for me, and I'm super excited to honestly for all the fall items to start coming in with the kids, so I'm really excited. But anyways, before I go ahead and share that with you guys, I am going to announce the winners of my giveaway that I did. It was a hidden giveaway. The reason why I do that is because I want the people that actually watch my channel and support it to be the ones that receive these items. I don't charge for any of this. It's my way of saying thank you, and so I'm not gonna announce like giveaway and put it on the keywords or the key tags, and then I've had it done in the past before where people just subscribe to win the giveaway or be inputted for the chance and then they unsubscribe later, which is fine. That's not illegal, but I prefer that the items go to people that actually watch my channel, interact with me, and support me. So in the video, again, it was a hidden giveaway. There was only 2 comments that I received, and it's been over a week. Nobody else has commented, honestly, probably because they didn't see it. And Do What Makes Me Happy was, I gave her the #1 spot. Do what makes you happy. And then the other one is Susan. And you guys can see the comments in case you're questioning anything or whatever. So in my giveaway, I had 3 boxes because I was gonna have 3 winners. And that didn't happen because only 2 people participated, which is fine. Again, my channel is still relatively small, so that's a-okay. And what I'm going to do is I am going to give boxes 2 and 3 were roughly the same size. They are the same size. So I'm going to sort those out, and then off camera I'm going to split box #1 and split it between the 2 as best as I can. So I am going to just kind of go with box #3. And box #3 is going to this person right here. Box #3 is going to Do What Makes You Happy. So let me make sure I write that down somewhere before. And then obviously we know box #2 is going to Suzanne. Okay, and then I will split box 1 between both of them and fill it up as much as I can. But thank you for participating, girls, and thank you for, honestly, you guys have been really consistent. I love sharing crafty swaps with you guys, and I don't know, thank you. I'm just very appreciative that you guys are regulars here in my channel, so I appreciate that very much. Thank you for participating, and basically I'm gonna start saving up for the next box that's gonna sit in the garage waiting to be given away, basically. Okay, so this is the citrus twist kit that just arrived today, and okay, I'm just reading this little note. It says, oops, this loose stamp phrase is to replace the misspelling on the phrase on the bottom stamp on your stamp set. Okay, so I see what they did. So they had a typo in this one right here, the very bottom. It says, this makes by. It was meant to be my heart had smile. So it was meant to say this makes my heart smile, and instead it says this makes my heart smile. So they gave you like the second corrected stamp set. So other than that, I think this kit is called The Best Part, and it's all about the best part of yourself, or you, like the best part of you, forever my always. Amazing. Looks like positive sentiments. And honestly, I'm gonna need to figure something out, you guys, because I started my second binder for my scrap therapy book, and I am actually using this beautiful binder that Susan gifted me in one of our swaps, and I've already added like my little charm, and I'm ready to start creating layouts. But the only thing is, like, I was using this kit for my chapter 1, and now the 6x8, look how small it's gonna be. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep some pages 6x8, or if I'm actually gonna be cutting 12x12 paper and making the layouts a little bit bigger, because this binder is a little bit taller. It's let me see, I don't even have a ruler, you guys, but I know that it's probably 8.5 by something. Honestly, I don't know, but isn't this so pretty? So I'm ready to get working on that. And I haven't decided, like I said, if I'm going to continue to use the 6x8 from the Citrus Twist, or if I'm actually going to have to start cutting paper to make bigger pages. And so the paper for today, or the kit for this month, is, and it's just one-sided, happiness scribbled all over, beautiful flowers, wood, soft pink, you guys know I love that, a blue, that darker blue, this one looks like wallpaper to me, this lavender color, more flowers, this is the best, written all over, and then just more images and whatnot. So that's the paper for this kit. The 4x4 is double-sided, so you get some frames and then some stripes. This one is very pretty. You get some pink flowers. Oh my gosh, this mint is really pretty. And then you have this one that says the details, or the best part, this made my day. And then of course, typical of the kids, you get a little label cutouts. Then you get some puffy hearts in different sizes, small, medium, and large. You get puffy yellow alphabets stickers as well. And then, oh, the theme, I guess I should have started with this one first, but this kit is called The Best Parts, and the quote is, spend your life with the people who make even going to the grocery store an adventure. And that's cute, so adorable. Then you have all these little banners. Sorry for the crinkly noise. I'm really trying to get better, but these are just little banners that have a lot of like titles or words, like today, and they're made out of not felt, what is it, fabric ephemera pack. So just a bunch of, again, positive best part sentiments. So let me put these, I'm just gonna scatter them in here. Well, this unboxing is going really great. So that's what we have for the fabric. And then we also have the 3x4 journaling cards. These ones are double-sided. The best part, oh, this gorgeous ombre effect, if you guys can see. I'm sorry, the lighting is really bad. It's after work, so it's honestly late. This star here, and then that one, and then I have this beautiful flower one. A story is a way to say something that can't be said any other way. So good. Just some journey, some polka dots. Loving you is easy. In this moment right here, I'm here for it. And then more journaling. This lavender is really pretty. And then just some journal piece in the back, and then more life, less rush, and then journal space in the back. So that's it for the 3x4. And then for the ephemera, I think that's actually thunder, you guys. It's about to storm really bad in our area, which is a-okay with me. I actually enjoy crafting a lot more when it's dark and gloomy outside. This is a regular ephemera pack. Just a bunch of those flowers that came in the paper pattern. Just more tickets, more flowers, a lot more tickets. I'm excited to get like the kids that are gonna have like Halloween, fall, and Christmas. I'm like really excited. I mean, I like all the seasons, but I think this has got to be my favorite season as far as like crafting and stuff like that. Just some more flowers, you guys, some more tickets, more little cut hearts, little banners, more flowers, and then look, the GPS locations. I don't know if this was meant to be like a travel, but just more tickets, more flowers, and more, and more cutouts. This is pretty. The flowers are very pretty. And that is it, you guys, for the unboxing. I'm sorry it was so rushed. I'm always, well, not always, but usually 10 times out of 10 I'm late showing you guys the unboxing, and the month has already passed and I'm still just now unboxing it. But this time, since it just arrived, this is for the month of September, so I wanted to go ahead and upload this, and also again announce the winners, or how I decided to do the boxes for these girls that participated in the giveaway. But anyways, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed watching this quick, small, super easy video, and I will see you guys on the next one. And Susan and Do What Makes Me Happy, you guys, I already have your address, so you don't have to contact me. I'm gonna try to pack everything tonight and have it ready for the post office tomorrow. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.